Be ready. Start. The defendant claimed his adverse possession over the sued property for 35 years. However, even the lower appellate court observed that the defendant has failed to prove his plea of adverse possession. In spite thereof, the lower appellate court dismissed the plaintiff's suit for possession. This approach of the lower appellant court is manifestly perverse and illegal. The plaintiff is proved to be owner of the sued property and the defendant is in possession thereof. The defendant could not prove his plea of adverse possession. Consequently, the plaintiff, on the basis of his title, is entitled to relief of possession of the sued plot. Lower appellate court took great pains to observe that the plaintiff failed to prove that he has forcibly dispossessed from the sued plot by the defendant in December 2006. However, even if it was so, even then, suit of the plaintiff for possession of the sued plot based on title could not be dismissed when the defendant failed to prove his plea of adverse possession. Lower appellate court also brought another dimension into picture for non-shooting the plaintiff. It was observed that demarcation of the plot purchased by the plaintiff has not been obtained and there is dispute regarding identity of the sued plot. However, no such plea regarding identity of sued plot was even raised by the defendant in his written statement. Lower appellate court also laid emphasis on the fact that existence of defendant's house for 30 years was admitted by the plaintiff. However, the plaintiff specially stated that the said house of defendant existed for 30 years except on the sued land. The plaintiff stated that defendant owned adjoining 17 Marlas land across the street. Thus, the defendant's house might be existing for 30 years on his own land, but the defendant's construction in the sued plot does not exist for 30 years. Even the lower appellate court has observed that the defendant has failed to prove his plea of adverse possession. Defendant was even unable to tell as to from which date, month or year he claimed his adverse possession over the sued property. From the aforesaid discussion, it emerges that entire approach of the lower appellate court is manifestly perverse and illegal and is based on complete misreading and misappreciation of evidence and factual and legal position. Substantial question of law to this effect therefore arises for determination in the instant second appeal, and the same is answered in favor of the plaintiff appellant. Full stop. Over.